Get ready to witness the future of trucks as we take you inside Ford's multi-billion-dollar F-150 Lightning factory. Discover the cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and production process that make the F-150 Lightning the king of the electric truck market. Hi everyone! Today we're taking you inside Ford's multi-billion-dollar F-150 Lightning factory. This is where Ford's most popular and profitable vehicle is made. Ford's goal is to double its initial production target of 150,000 F-150 Lightnings per year at the factory. After having to cap reservations for the truck at 200,000 late last year, the automaker increased its production targets. Let's see what goes into making the Ford F-150 Lightning one of the most advanced trucks on the market. We're standing here on the factory floor, and as you can see, it's a hive of activity. A lot of technology and engineering goes into building the F-150 Lightning, but at its core, it's all about teamwork. It's clear that the workers here at the factory are proud of what they do and are passionate about the F-150 Lightning. And it's no wonder, with all the advanced technology and engineering that goes into building this truck. The Ford F-150 is the pickup truck that comes to mind when you think of it. With an aluminum body, turbocharged engines, a hybrid drivetrain, an all-electric variant, and all of Ford's cutting-edge technology, the enduring bestseller has evolved for the modern era. The Base XL has everything you need and nothing you don't if you want a work truck. But as you move up the trim ladder, you'll find an increasing list of desirable features, and price tags to match, of course. One of the most impressive things about the F-150 Lightning is the technology that goes into it. From the advanced electric powertrain to the cutting-edge infotainment system, the F-150 Lightning is truly a marvel of engineering. As we approach the factory, you can already see the level of investment and commitment that Ford has made to this project. The factory is state-of-the-art and designed specifically to produce the Ford F-150 Lightning. It's equipped with the latest technologies and systems, making it one of the world's most efficient and sustainable factories. One thing that sets the Ford F-150 Lightning apart from other electric vehicles is its charging capabilities. This truck is designed to be charged at home, work, or on the road, and the factory has its charging station where the trucks are charged before they hit the road. Let's take a closer look at the heart of the Ford F-150 Lightning, the battery. This is where the battery cells are assembled and tested to ensure they meet the high standards set by Ford. The truck's battery is a key component, making the F-150 Lightning so powerful and efficient. Once the battery is assembled, the truck moves on to the paint shop. This is where the truck is given its final finish, with a coat of paint designed to last for years. And with the use of advanced painting technology, the finish on the Ford F-150 Lightning is second to none. Before the trucks leave the factory, they undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet Ford's high standards. This includes everything from performance testing to crash testing. And only after they pass these tests with flying colors are they approved to hit the road. Let's take a closer look at the body shop. This is where the frame and the body of the truck are put together. It's a critical stage in the production process, where the truck begins to take shape. The robots and technicians here use advanced tools and techniques to assemble the truck and work with incredible precision and speed. Once the body is assembled, it's time to add the powertrain. This part of the truck makes it move, and it's where the electric motor and battery pack are added. The powertrain assembly is a complex process, but it's also one of the most important as it gives the truck incredible performance and efficiency. And now it's time to add the interior. This is where the truck starts to take on a personality. Every piece, from the seats to the infotainment system, is designed to make the driving experience as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. The interior is assembled with the same precision and care as the rest of the truck, designed to last for years. Let's now take a closer look at the battery management system. This is the heart of the truck's electrical system and controls the flow of electricity to and from the battery. The system uses advanced algorithms to optimize the battery performance and extend its life, and it's designed to work seamlessly with the rest of the truck's systems. Another important aspect of the F-150 Lightning is the charging infrastructure. The truck is designed to be charged from any standard household outlet. or it can be charged from a level 2 charging station for even faster charging times. Ford has also partnered with companies like Electrify America to create a comprehensive network of charging stations so you can always find a place to charge your truck. And now let's talk about one of the F-150 Lightning's most innovative features: Pro Power Onboard. This system allows you to use your truck as a mobile power source. Whether you need to power your tools on a job site or keep your RV charged while camping, Pro Power Onboard makes it easy and convenient. With up to 9.6 kilowatts of power, you can do almost anything with the F-150 Lightning. The F-150 Lightning also has a range of drive modes to choose from. Whether driving on the highway, towing a trailer, or driving off-road, you can select the right drive mode for the situation. The truck's advanced computer system adjusts the performance and efficiency of the truck to match your driving style, so you always get the best possible performance. Finally, let's talk about safety. The F-150 Lightning has advanced safety features to protect you and your passengers. From the advanced airbags to the blind spot monitoring system, every truck has been designed with your safety in mind. Next, the electric drive unit is installed. This is the heart of the truck's power system, which gives the F-150 Lightning impressive acceleration and efficiency. The drive unit is made from the highest quality components and designed to last many years of trouble-free driving. Once the drive unit is installed, the battery pack is added. This is where the magic happens. The battery pack gives the F-150 Lightning its impressive range, making it possible to drive for hundreds of miles on a single charge. The battery pack is made from the highest quality cells, and it's designed to be safe, efficient, and long-lasting. And now it's time to add the finishing touches. The interior and exterior of the truck are assembled, and the truck is fitted with all of the latest technology and amenities. From the advanced infotainment system to the luxurious leather seats, every aspect of the F-150 Lightning is designed to be comfortable and convenient. The assembly line starts with the truck's frame, which is the backbone of the vehicle. The frame is made from high-strength steel, and it's designed to be lightweight and strong. This is the truck's foundation, which gives the F-150 Lightning its rugged durability. And now it's time for the final assembly. This is where all the components come together to form the Ford F-150 Lightning. From the engine to the infotainment system, every piece is assembled with precision and care to ensure that the final product is the best it can be. And now it's time for the final inspection. This is where the truck is put through a rigorous series of tests to ensure that it meets Ford's high standards. From the battery to the brakes, every aspect of the truck is carefully inspected to ensure it's ready for the road. Before the truck leaves the factory, it's taken for a test drive. This is a critical step in the production process, allowing the engineers to ensure that the truck performs as it should. The test drive is designed to put the truck through its paces, where the final adjustments are made to ensure that the truck is perfect. And there you have it, a behind-the-scenes look at the production process of the Ford F-150 Lightning. From start to finish, the F-150 Lightning is designed to be the best electric truck on the market, and it's a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation and sustainability. So if you're looking for a ride that's powerful, efficient, and packed with technology, the Ford F-150 Lightning is the truck for you. And that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive look inside Ford's F-150 Lightning factory. Every aspect of this truck has been designed to exceed expectations, from its environmentally friendly production line to its advanced electric drive unit. So if you're ready for a new kind of truck experience that's powerful, efficient, and packed with the latest technology, the Ford F-150 Lightning is the way to go. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. And until next time, keep the rubber on the road.